No talking, just real pump house modeling. First job, containment pit with axis and reference lines. Easy pump placement on a grid, 4 pumps in layout, arranged in mirrored pairs. Suction and discharge lines stacked one above the other. Suction lower, discharge higher. Offset one side of the pumps by 1 meter to avoid pipeline crossings. Pipe routing. Start with the pipe, then add all essential components, isolating ball valve, drainage, manometer, everything required for a real-world setup. Midway through, adjust the pipe manifold height to match the pipe elevation. Drainage isn't critical, but it's very helpful. Place pumps on foundations to ensure comfortable maintenance access and proper pipe elevation from the ground. A 200 mm height and 100 mm wider than the pump frame should be sufficient. Use a metal frame or a concrete block foundation. Useful tip: for small branches, use saddles if there's no proper T. Reinforce the connection on larger pipes. For instruments, use a union, one end matching the instrument connection, the other welded to the pipe. Copy the pipeline to the other pumps. Don't waste time. The welder can fabricate 4 identical pipelines in the workshop and install them on site. I follow the principle that a good pipeline has as few unnecessary parts as possible, no short 50 mm inserts or useless elbows unless they serve a clear purpose. With the suction lines complete, let's move to the discharge lines. Same principle, shortest path, with real-world components like an isolating valve, check valve, vent nozzle, and manometer. Place the valve close to the T to minimize welding between the T and the valve. Use a swing check valve to save space. Use the same manometer as on the suction side to monitor pump performance. Add a bent vent nozzle to release air from the line and to allow drainage when emptying the pump at the highest point of the pipeline. Try not to hide other components. Rule of thumb for water systems: DN 25 for drainage, DN 20 for vents, DN 15 for instruments. Copy the discharge line to the other pumps. Slightly adjust pump spacing and the containment pit location. Everything moves fast, no fluff. I built this model in 40 minutes of raw time. The empty containment space can be left for future pumps or used as a maintenance area. Place supports near the pump nozzle to relieve stress, and also near large valves, especially those with heavy actuators. Pay attention to the manifold and pump piping. The manifold is larger than the individual pump lines because the flows combine there. Use a person model to check the pump house scale and ensure valves are at a comfortable, reachable height. Built fast, built right, real workflow. No fluff, simple rules, real results.